and welcome to the 14th episode of the GEP RoundUp, a monthly lowdown of the latest and greatest from GEP and the world of supply chain. I'm your host, Alex. Every month, we bring you highlights of the top stories, insights, and events from the supply chain space so you can stay up to date on everything you need to know. From the latest innovations and technologies to the biggest challenges and opportunities facing the industry, we've got it all covered. Links to all talking points will be in the description below if you want to learn more or access our thought leadership. So let's dive into this week's episode. Let's start, as always, with insights from the GEP Global Supply Chain Volatility Index. There are hints of a pickup in spare capacity at global suppliers. However, underlying data shows that this was due to global manufacturers using up inventory surpluses and cutting back on stockpiling activity. Demand for raw materials, commodities, and components continued to recover in March, driven primarily by Asian factories that witnessed the strongest demand in over 2 years. You can find the GEP Global Supply Chain Volatility Index at GEP.com. Onto new resources you can take advantage of now. If you're a finance leader, you may be under increasing pressure to effectively manage spend and demonstrate profitable growth. A new white paper from GEP and CFO Dive discusses how finance leaders can leverage AI, machine learning, and the latest iteration of generative AI tools to strengthen the partnership with procurement and achieve strategic goals. Lack of program governance, approval delays, and limited integration of technological systems often hamper the effectiveness of clinical trials in the pharma industry. How can you overcome these obstacles? This new GEP white paper, How Pharma Companies Can Optimize Clinical Trial Operations and Unlock Value, discusses how focusing on people, processes, and technology can help your business expedite clinical trials and control costs. If you prefer to listen to your content, we've got some new podcasts for you. As a procurement category manager, are you finding it increasingly difficult to align demand and supply amid growing economic uncertainty? Has poor visibility into critical data hampered your team's ability to respond quickly to changing market conditions? In a 2-part podcast, AI in Action, Practical Use Cases of Intelligent Category Management, GEP experts explore how you can overcome these challenges by gaining real-time visibility, predictive analytics, and actionable intelligence with AI-powered category management solutions. With advanced technology solutions, you can also enhance engagement and alignment between procurement and different functions and business units to speed up process workflows. Tune in to hear more on the subject. If digital transformation of your procurement function is on your roadmap, it is critical to consider vendors proven to implement and execute effectively and quickly. You must evaluate a vendor's technology capabilities as well as its ability to execute. In this podcast, Beyond Vision, Executing to Drive Procurement Performance, GEP experts discuss how to successfully execute the plan and derive the maximum value from the newly deployed procurement solution. There are a few new blogs to check out as well. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's rules to allow plug-in hybrids to play a larger role in the transition to electric vehicles are set to impact procurement and supply chains. In a new blog, Vengat Narayan Swamy, Vice President of Consulting at GEP, discusses how automotive procurement has a unique opportunity to drive positive change and accelerate the adoption of electric and hybrid vehicles. Have you noticed how quickly generative AI is being deployed across business functions? As this branch of AI continues to quickly evolve, its use cases are growing too. You may be wondering if this technology can help identify supply chain risks and mitigate their impact. Well, it certainly can. A new GEP blog explores how generative AI can help your business streamline the all-important task of risk management in supply chains. Businesses may be committed to ESG goals and have a sustainability program with predefined targets. But measuring progress and identifying areas of improvement can be difficult. The new GEP blog, 5 Essential Environmental Sustainability Metrics Enterprises Should Track, lists the key environmental sustainability metrics relevant to your procurement and supply chain business. It also talks about ESG software platforms designed to capture and track sustainability metrics and identify improvement opportunities. On to a new customer case study. A global fast food chain develops a supply risk management strategy with GEP. To build resilience and reduce cost, a leading fast food chain with thousands of restaurants across the world looked to diversify its supply base. Additionally, it also wanted to reduce its dependence on exports and shorten its supply network to mitigate risks. Learn how GEP helped the company identify alternative locations and suppliers that were more reliable and transparent and offered better rates than the existing vendor. Thank you for tuning into the show, and please come back for the next episode. If you found it useful, don't forget to comment, share, and follow our YouTube channel for more supply chain content. Until next time.